Okay, on this first box, okay, so I don't know what's the size. It's probably the same box, okay, so I don't know what's the size. It's probably the same time. So I use Global Cargo. Okay, I don't want to put that information. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, of course, the chocolate. Okay, hindi yan mawawala sa box. Okay, the Kit Kat, the Hershey, the Reese's, the Whoppers, and everything. So, lahat yan. And this is my dad's favorite, nuts. Yeah. Sarap siya, you know. It has a cashew, almond, hazelnut, pecans, and pistachio. And this one, a cookie for my one and only pamangkin, Tintin. Shout out to you. Okay, so this is very good with the coffee, with the milk. You have to dip in. Oh, it's perfect. And of course, some of the clothes, you know, that I got on the thrift store, you know. And this one is for my sister. She wants to wear a makeup. I don't. For some reason, I don't know how to apply it. Okay. And then her tempered glass for the iPhone. She's using the iPhone 11. Okay. And this one. Okay, so this one is Nutella. Wow, everybody loves Nutella. I love it. In the Philippines, you know, this is a very famous thing. So I said probably 13, 14 bottles of it. You know, they're gonna like that. And of course, you know, lahat yan, hindi mawawala ang shampoo. Okay. So like I said, I already set up my box at the bottom. As you can see there. There's a bottom there too, right there. Okay, so that's a Tresemme also. Okay, so Dove, you know, Ritual conditioner, you know, shampoo and conditioner, and of course, hindi mawawala ang makeup. Yes, a bunch of makeup, you know, guys. So kung hindi nyo natatanong kung paano ko ito nakukuha, actually, I'm doing some couponing. I'm gonna do some vlog to couponing. It's just hard to make a video while you're in the store and the manager try, you know, to look at you, you know. But I will try my best to make a vlog to how to coupon and how to start, okay? So this is all the makeup, the clothes, and everything. As you can see, I saved some of the space here because I put some in there. So this is my first box, and I'm gonna show you my second box. Bye! Okay, so this is my second box. Okay. Okay, my second box is about purses and food, of course. Okay, so first to my mom. Then ito, siguro I spent probably 32 bottles on this for both box. So that's the one there and the box. So that's the one there and the one. You know? And of course, some Swiss Miss. My moms love this. Yan. And yan, purse, yan, it's Tyler Rodan. And I don't know what brand is that. Okay, of course, some Olay soap. Yan, ito pag maglalaga ka ng itlog. And then may mga dust. Yan, without shell. Yan, and yan, may mga shampoo and conditioner pa dito. Mga, ito, pakawa ka ng isa, ha? So, yan. Hindi mawawala yan. And everything. So, kasi lahat yan coupon. Hindi ako, I never pay a full amount. Everything right here, no. It's either discounted or free. Yep. Rolling points with Walgreens. Okay, so hindi ako sponsor or whatever. Ito para siyang MP3. Yan. Then, ito, para sa aking grandma. So, my one and only grandma. She is 92 years old. Yes. Diba? Wala siyang sakit. Ito, ano to? Quaker Oat. Yan. Hindi ko na siya tatanggalin. Obviously naman. Yan. Ito. Ano po ito? For my dad's motorcycle. Yan, nakalagay. Ito pa. Ito, sa pamangkin ko. Na-open siya. Na alam nyo na kung sino. Ang batang makulit. Ayan. And another Olay. Of course, hindi mawawala toothpaste. Yeah, may mga toothpaste pa din ako dun sa kabila. O, diba? Nakakatuwa. Pag na-receive nila yan, as in, super duper happy sila. Sobra. Yung ngiti, hindi nawawala. Oo. Diba? Ayan. And may mga detergent din dyan. Detergent, shampoo. Ayan. Like I said, ito for my mom. They love purses. Hindi ko pa nabibili yung gusto niyang purse. Alam niya na yan. It's just so busy for my work. Okay, so all in all, so iti-tape ko na siya. So I'm trying to cover the information down there because I don't think it's very private. Okay, so I'm gonna put link the Amazon that I bought. This tape, it's very affordable. I recommended this Grizzly tape. I put the link down below. Try nyo sa Amazon. I think 6 pieces. I know, 8 pieces, I believe. It's $12 something lang. Pero grabe, ang tibay niya. Ginagamit ko to. So, this is my 6 and 7 box. Okay? So, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys. soon. Bye!